Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of Twitch Tips and Tricks. In this week's episode we are going to be talking about Twitch clips, what they are, how to make them off stream and how to then share them effectively on the social media. Stay tuned in just one moment. So what exactly are Twitch clips, guys? They are short 5 to 60 second video clips that you can cut from your broadcast both when you're live and offline. In this week's episode we are going to be focusing primarily on creating content when you're offline, even though the same methods can be applied to when you're live as well. The only difference being that when you're live you don't really have too much time, so unless you are doing it for somebody else, I wouldn't really recommend on clipping anything when you're live. Rather wait until the end of your stream then focus on them. When you make clips you can then share them across social media, Discords and Reddits to get your name out there, and it's the best possible way to promote yourself. But enough talking, let's get going with the tutorial, guys. Enjoy! Alright guys, and now that you know what they are, let's see how to actually make them off stream. First thing you need to do is navigate to your dashboard again and select the video producer on the left. From here on you need to select one of the past broadcasts where you want to create a clip from. In my case it's going to be this one because I have 3 markers over here. So let's select the highlight and click on that. It's going to take us to this page over here, and if you remember from last time, the only thing you need to do is you need to click on one of the 3 markers. In my case it's going to be this one, and the video is going to take us on that URL. As you can see, afterwards click on the settings, copy video URL and paste it over here in the different tab. From here on, if you want to create a clip from this exact moment, all you need to do is click on this clip or use the shortcut which is Alt+X. Also remember, when you click this, the video is going to take about 20 seconds prior to this time frame and about 5 seconds afterwards to create the default 30-second clip for you. And as well, once you click this, a new page will open up for you. Alright guys, and this is where you end at. By default, Twitch will always create a 30-second window for us to work with, but we don't really have to stop there, so let's keep on moving. The very first thing you can always do is you can adjust the duration from all the way up to 60 seconds, all the way down to 5 seconds minimum. The next thing you can do is you can adjust this highlighter. So if you want to create something on the start over here, you just need to move it over here and adjust the duration accordingly. The next thing I always keep in mind is this video editor is 90 seconds long, but the maximum duration of the clip is 60 seconds. In the case you want to create something that takes longer than a minute, you need to use a highlighter. One thing when creating the new clip is always keep in mind how long it is. You don't really want to create a clip that's way too long, and you don't want to create a clip that's way too short. If you have 10 seconds of action, then maybe 20-second clip is enough, but don't make a 50-second clip for something that can be shown in 10 seconds, else people are not going to watch it. And the last thing you want to notice over here is the title. Title is the most important thing because that's what's going to pull people towards it. So you want to make sure you find something catchy, you want to make sure you find something short. Don't make it way too complicated or way too complex to read. And that's it. Once you end up choosing the title and once you end up choosing the duration of your clip, all you need to do is hit on the publish and it's going to take you to the next page. And this is where you end up when you publish it, guys. From here on you can share it. You can share it to Twitter, to Facebook, to Reddit, or you can copy the URL and then share it that way. However, especially when uploading to Twitter, what I would always do is I would download the file directly to my PC and then I'll upload it from there to Twitter. It looks much more professional and much better. However, if you don't see the download button over here, what you need to do is you need to select this, copy the URL, paste it in the different tab, and from here on you can always download it using this button. Keep in mind though, you cannot download other people's clips, you can only do it for yours. And now you just drag your video to Twitter, so directly drag it over here, paste it, write the caption, Twitter clip, and tweet it. And that's all you need to do. Afterwards, how it's going to look like is like this. Let me show you. Where's one of my old clips? This is how it's going to look like. Directly you click the press, it's going to play. There's no URL, there's nothing. It looks pretty, looks simple. And that's it pretty much, guys. Alright guys, and that's it. That's all I have to say about clips in this video. If you liked it, then maybe consider dropping it a like, it's gonna help me out a lot. As well, if you have any questions about this video or streaming in general, then feel free to ask me in the comments below and I'm gonna get back to you. If you want to get notified whenever I release more of this in the future, then feel free to subscribe to the channel, or you can find me on Twitch where I stream on a weekly basis and I can help you out over there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next week, take it easy and bye bye.